Hello and welcome to the video. This is a very quick video to let you know that there is a cool tool available if you're interested in creating your own themes in EdgeTX. Now, there are themes available on the SD card when you download them. I personally think they're not particularly interesting, but the ability to create your own themes is something that now is really simple and very graphical. And it's using this tool here, the EdgeTX Theme Designer. It's actually a project that you can kind of follow and get involved with and kind of put suggestions in. And it's all done inside a browser. So here it is actually loaded, comes in both Italian and English. There's some stuff along the top, so you have the ability to download backgrounds, splash screens. There's the official EdgeTX site you can link to, and also good old Sky Raccoon, which if you haven't played with before is a great way to download model images, really high quality model images for your EdgeTX powered radio. But if we go back here and pop to Designer, here's your screen. Big tip, let me give you a very quick tour of the screen. Down here you set your target resolution because you can save the theme out and pop it on your SD card. I'm going to play with the TX16S Mark III, and we can either import a theme or export the theme when we're finished. Up here we can actually click on any part of the screen and it'll tell us over here what the hexadecimal RGB value is. If you're a graphic designer, then you'll know what that is. If you're not, you can just click on here and it'll actually give you a little thing that you can choose. Anything you click on the screen, you can change. That is going to be the background if you're going to have one. So if, for example, if I want to have things that are slightly kind of orangey, or, you know, because kind of orange and black, kind of some of my favorite colors for flying. Once we have the color we want, we can click on OK. And then you can just work your way around and just change the colors to be whatever you want. Once you're happy and you can do your backgrounds and other things as well, you can actually give your project a name, information, and then you can export the theme and put it on your SD card. The other cool thing as well, it actually gives you 7 different views, so you can see here that you have different ideas of what the screen's going to look like. Might be your cup of tea, might be not, but I just wanted to kind of let you know that this is available if you want to play or maybe import one of the YML schemas from your SD card and maybe tweak it slightly so it's a bit more in line. Maybe you have anodized elements on your radio, or it has a wrap on it and you want the screen to match it. Now it's an awful lot easier. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Pedantry 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.